Alright, everybody, so I ordered a giant poppet and let's do some unboxing. Oh my goodness, guys, this is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And the photo it didn't show this big. Anyway, let's open it up. I got it open. Let's take our first pops. Alright. Guys, I really like this poppet. It feels so nice, but it's so big. Like, this is the size of my hand compared to it. Like, this is a Simple Dimple compared to this poppet. Eek! I'm gonna pop it in fast motion. Today, my poppets! Let's open it up. 5 hours later. Alright, I managed to open it. So yeah. Ooh, I'm so excited. These are mungus shaped. Whoa. This comes with 4. I'm not joking. I literally thought it came with like 1 because like it showed all these 4 colors, but I thought it came with like 1. Definitely 5-star already. Now let's open. I got them open and I didn't even pop them yet, so let's go. Take them out like this. Let's start with this rainbow one. Nice. I rate this one a 7 out of 10. Next one. I rate this one a 9 out of 10. These are all the fidgets that I got for Easter, and I'm very grateful for all of these, so please don't hate. So first I got this fidget toy set, which I'm going to be opening in another video. These 2 spiky DNA balls. These 2 regular DNA balls, although this one already popped. This glitter putty pack. This orange octagon poppet. This teal heart poppet. And last of all, this pink whale, which is probably my favorite of all so far. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Easter! I did get this new Simple Dimple, and I'm going to be doing a video about a mystery why this doesn't have the Fat Brain logo. So this one right here is the one I got back in January, and when I ordered it, it looked exactly like this. It had the Fat Brain logo and everything like this. But then, when I ordered this one a few days ago, it actually had the Fat Brain logo. Like, for the picture, it showed Fat Brain here, and then it said Fat Brain right here. And also, I've been noticing that everybody who has gotten a new Simple Dimple has been getting it like this. Like, what happened to this logo? Comment down if you... This video is going to be about why I haven't been posting much lately. So I haven't been posting much lately because there has been a snowstorm in Texas and it has been very cold. So basically the pipes where the water comes in, they froze with ice. So now there's no more water coming down in the sinks to cook, to clean, and to wash clothes. So, basically, we can't call anybody to fix it yet because if we do call them to come, it'll take very long because the snow is blocking the roads. So, basically, we are now going to a hotel for a few days, and we are hoping that when we come back, the water is fixed. So, that is why I haven't been posting much, but I'm going to be posting a lot at the hotel. Bye, guys!
And then I found me a lover who could play the bass. He's kinda quiet, but his body ain't. Spent the days dreaming and the nights awake, doing things we know we shouldn't do. 'Cause I wouldn't be
went to the mail and my mini poppet arrived, so I'm going to be opening it up with you guys. Okay, so I got some of it open, so let's open it up now. And also, this little metal thing right there is actually a keychain, so you can put it right there. Okay, so I just got it open and this is going to be my first try. This is like amazing. I did not expect it to be this good, guys. Overall, 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend to buy this, especially if you travel to a lot of places. This is a really good thing that you can just hang up here with a keychain and bring around. Bye! Hope you